So my assumption about the central cognitive theme in adult ADHD is that the main issue is impaired self-regulatory efficacy, the self-distrust cognitions, and the self-mistrust deeper beliefs. And people will ask me, well, what's the difference between distrust and mistrust? Well, in looking up definitions of the two, distrust is more immediate. Distrust whether my slides will work, and that's tied in with my deeper mistrust of technology. Now, I don't have either, but it's the best example I can come up with. So I know I can do it, but I don't trust I will do it when I need to do it. So the main cognitive task, looking at your thoughts about the task and beliefs about the task, clarify the task and their relationships to your goals and values, including the use of coping tactics, like using a planner to manage time. So why do I want to do this in the first place? And how does this fit with my values, my beliefs about how I want to be, and the skills I know that I have, the strengths that I have, and reminding ourselves of those. Realistic, doable plans. How do I frame and think about the task? Breaking it down into small steps. Event segmentation and sequencing if you want to impress your friends. Into small enough steps so that we can do it and develop self-trust in ourselves. Reaching outcomes, fulfilling roles, finishing taxes, completing the class, doing the lab presentation, and now we have the felt experience of doing these things. And also dealing with the negative thoughts. Well, I'm not going to do it as well as other people will be, discounting the positives. I got it done, but I should have started earlier. No, giving yourself credit for what you have done and dealing with the emotional reasoning that if I don't feel like doing it, if it feels bad, it's going to be bad. Well, no, it might feel bad because you might have a history of difficulties with writing tasks or taxes, but you're also trying to change these things now.